Now that you've set up your Blackdirt account and perhaps you're still on the dashboard, we highly recommend that you go through our setup process to make sure that you can use your system efficiently and effectively. We've added this copy here underneath the dashboard title. You'll see setup, and it says before you can do anything here, first go to the setup plants page and tell us what you grow. So one way to get there is click on the setup menu and click plants, or you can just click on this link here in the copy. Once you're on this page, all you have to do is click on the check boxes by the plants that you will actually grow. And in this example, I'll just select a few, and when you click, it's automatically saved. The next step is set up gardens. These are the gardens where you actually plant your plants. So we recommend that you name them with numbers. The first garden I will create is garden 1. And in my garden, I'm going to say I have 1 row. Some people might have 2 rows or three rows or more. And let's say the length is 100. It could be feet or meters. And this will calculate the total area of your garden. In this example, I'm going to create 3 gardens. So this will be garden 2 with 1 row, a length of 100. And my third garden, garden 3, click add, and you'll notice below the form you have your 3 gardens. Now that you have some plants created in your system and your garden set up, click on the manage crops, which would be here, manage crops, and then plants and garden, or just click on your link here. And you can go through your existing garden and tell the system what you have in the ground already. So let's pretend we have beets that we're going to plant, or that we have planted. If we planted beets in a garden, let's say we planted with 5,000 seeds. Let's say we planted it in garden 1, and let's just say we planted it on March 1st. Then I hit add. And what's happened now is you've set up your system effectively, where you can now proceed and you can add other plants into your gardens. So once again, I'll just pretend I have chard, and I'll say it's in garden 2, and we'll say it was on March 3rd, the plant date, and I hit add. Once you have some gardens into the ground, you can go to your reports. You can go and see a report of, and this would be a list of all of your gardens that you have planted. It would tell you the plant date, it would tell you the days in garden. Another very effective, powerful report is now growing. This could click on beets, and this would tell you how many beet gardens you are growing at your farm right now. Currently you have 1 in the system. Same with chard. But as you plant more and more gardens, this list will become longer and longer.